Welcome to Northeast Wisconsin Technical College Green Bay campus. My name is Miranda DeMars. I'm one of the career coaches here on campus. Today, I'm going to show you our transportation center. Let's go take a look. The diesel program will focus on skills and knowledge for diesel trucks. From the engine to the chassis, you will be trained to become a diesel technician in this program. Making sure diesel trucks are properly maintained and repaired is vital to our livelihood. When a diesel truck breaks down, the goal is to get it back on the road as soon as possible. Now that's job security. Also, you don't have to buy your own tools for this program. You can rent them out right here on campus. If you're interested in repairing the exterior of vehicles, the Auto Collision Repair and Refinishing program could be a great fit for you. In this program, you learn how to reconfigure vehicles. You also get to do some welding, painting, and some troubleshooting for electronics. If you're more interested in what's under the hood of a vehicle, you should definitely check out our Automotive Technician program. You'll learn how to perform general maintenance, troubleshoot issues, as well as perform repairs on vehicles. Students are required to provide their own tools. However, a leading tool manufacturer offers a really great discount to our students. You also might be able to use your financial aid to help pay for your tools. These three programs are technical diplomas, but with a few more classes, you can earn an associate degree.